and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda, and in today's video I am taking you with me as I decorate for winter in the master bedroom. As with all of my decorating in January, I'm really aiming for a simple and minimal look that's still cozy to help refresh my home for the new year. I love decorating for Christmas and I do go all out, but it can get pretty overwhelming when it's been up for a long time, and I feel like having a simpler space afterwards is such a breath of fresh air. I did decorate this way in my kitchen in my last video as well, so if you haven't checked that out yet, I'll leave a link down below in the description for you when you're done here. While most of the room already has all of the Christmas decor taken down, I am just now taking down the tree. I thought about just leaving it up with the lights on and taking down all the ornaments, ribbon, and picks, but it does take up quite a bit of space in the room, and it just wasn't going to go with the more simple style I had in mind for January. So ultimately, in the spirit of cohesiveness and intentional decorating, I decided that it all needed to come down. It does feel so much roomier in the bedroom without it. Once I got the tree down, I stripped the bed and took the Christmas pattern sheets off so that I could wash them. I did decide to replace them with our usual white sheets. I did think about keeping them out as well. They have a rustic winter pattern on them rather than something more obviously Christmas themed. But again, I just felt like it wasn't in keeping with my goal of having a simple and relatively minimal space. So off they went. Now, before I put the new sheets on, I replaced the wall art above the bed. I've learned from past experience that if I do it after, I'll just end up messing up all the work I did to make the bed. Seems like it probably should be something obvious that I never should have done in the past, but clearly I needed to learn that the hard way. I got this sign from Hobby Lobby's spring collection last year. I love the soft sage green color of it, and I feel like it goes well with the more neutral color palette that I'm aiming for. It is the wall art piece that we do keep up all year round as well. On the arches over the nightstands, I kept the same wreaths up from Hobby Lobby and just took off the ribbon. I did save that ribbon for use in future years. These two accent pillows are ones that I got a few years ago from Hobby Lobby. While they were a part of their Christmas collection at the time, there's nothing really overtly Christmas about them, and I think they work really well for the whole winter season with their deep green plaid. I decided to move on to my craft shelves next. Up on the top shelf, I just used a cloche with some moss ball filler I got from Amazon and a small sign I picked up from Home Goods several years ago. I just love the saying on the sign. I've used it every year since I bought it. It really reminds me to be appreciative of the family that I've built. Sometimes I feel like these are the things that we take for granted sometimes. On the shelf below, I kept out this brown book, and I did place 2 wooden candlesticks on it that I picked up from my parents' house. I finished off the simple look with a picture from Hobby Lobby that I got a few years ago with a lamb's ear pick. On my bookcase shelf, I kept out the wood snowman that I had here at Christmas, and I moved the reindeer artwork that I picked up from Walmart over here from the dresser as well. I then added a small white house and 2 bud vases from a set of 3 that I got from Amazon with another lamb's ear pick. Now I'm going to be challenging myself this year to really be intentional about what I put on this shelf. I find that it's been one of the more difficult places for me to style pretty much all year round in a way that I'm happy with, and this time is no different. So I think that means I need to spend a little more time thinking and being intentional about what I should place here. Finally, here on the dresser, I added my round wooden tray from Home Goods with my black Target vase and some faux cedar stems. I then placed down some books and finally a Bath & Body Works candle. It's in the scent Winter Golden Pear, and I had it out during Christmas as well, but there's nothing truly Christmas about it, and the notes of pear smell so refreshing, which is exactly what I'm looking for right now. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, I would love it if you would let me know by hitting the like button down below. It really is nice to have a more minimal and, to be honest, a more relaxing space here in the bedroom for the new year. If you're looking for more home decorating and homemaking content, I have so much more available here on my channel, so be sure to consider subscribing so you don't miss any videos I have coming up. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.